Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now, warm the engine briefly so oil thins, and you drain cleaner. While it heats, position the scooter on a level surface and secure it with the center stand or a jack so you get safe access. Lay the catch pan under the drain area and open the toolkit. You need a wrench, new gasket or filter, and the specified oil. Once these are ready, remove any body panels or seat-obstructing access so the drain and fill points are exposed. You now focus on the detailed steps. Loosen the drain plug carefully and let the oil empty fully into the pan. Observing color and debris tells you engine health. Once drained, remove the oil filter or cartridge. Clean the housing and mating surfaces so the new gasket seats correctly. Install the new filter and gasket, making sure orientation and seating are perfect. Then hand start the drain plug and torque it to the manufacturer specification, so you avoid leaks or stripped threads. You finish by refilling with the manufacturer-specified oil amount, using a funnel to keep the fill clean and accurate. Once filled, start the engine briefly, 30 to 60 seconds, to circulate oil and then shut off and recheck the level on the dipstick, topping to the correct mark as needed. Inspect the drain plug and filter area for leaks. If you find a leak, retorque the plug to spec, and if that fails, replace the gasket or filter seal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.